message to that person. So to set.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, once again, in this video I'll be taking you through what we call Google Contacts, and this is none other than adding contacts or email addresses into your email. And we are going to, as we go on with the video, you'll be seeing the relevance of the Google Contacts. So without wasting any time, you have to be connected to internet and use any browser to access the internet. Say this, and this is Microsoft. This is Microsoft Edge, so or the Firefox, but you can use Chrome if you have it. So what do? And so there you can just type in Google Contacts. As you see here, it has been displayed. Then come to the word contacts. When you're at contacts, you can just tune to the top right corner where you see the dots and Google apps being displayed. Tap on it and you'll see a list of Google items being displayed here. So you scroll through and look for contacts, then you double click and it will bring you to a page just like this one here. So you are now, they are telling you don't have any contact. Meanwhile, actually you have a smartphone. You will appreciate that whenever you set your phone to be saving your contacts on the Google account, when you come to Google accounts on a computer and you log in with your, remember you should have signed in with your account. So your contacts, your phone contacts will be always displayed here, because you saved all your contacts on your Gmail account or your Google account. So what happens, this one is already a pre-existing list of contacts, but equally you can create a new contact also. So what you do, the first name of this individual can be maybe Jocelyn, maybe Joel. Yes, Joel. Last name is Aina. Joel Aina. I want to create some parts may not be necessary. So what you do, you skip some, you put the mandatory ones, especially the email. So you can say he has the email like Aina Joel at gmail.com, and can give him you can say the phone contact is 0756 32 63 3243. Then you say save. This is how you can save a new contact onto your Google email account. Then meanwhile, here is his account. You can equally add there his DP depending on maybe which photo he likes. Like maybe you have his photo in your phone or computer, you can even get and put it there. Or else you can say this Joe likes maybe cats. I can put there a cat on his as his profile picture DP. Then this is now it has now changed to a cat. So you can equally, my emphasis is also on this part called labels, because I want to assure you this one will help you in case you want to send an email, you want to send a mail message to a group of people and there are many, so you don't have time to type their email addresses one by one. So what do? You get one group and call it maybe OBs and OGs. This is a label now, OBs and OGs. You save the label. So what you do when you come to labels, you see that this is your label and it's still containing no member. So what you do, you can add members to this label or to this category also, so that if you happen to have organized maybe a mail message or an information and you want to send it to them, you just send once and it goes to all of them. So what do? When you come to create contact, you can come to this label, and after saving, you can tap on it. Then we have an option of adding more. The option may not be there, but I see we can maybe merge these contacts here and make them labeled that were OBs and OGs. So our label is now containing these contacts. So how will this help? When you keep adding contacts to that label. For example, I can say you can have this. You say this one, change, you put in the label, you say OBs and OGs. You come to another one and say the label is OBs and OGs. Another one, you say the label is OBs and OGs. So with this, you can now come to your label OBs and OGs and check on the list. So this is the list. Then when it comes to sending a message to them, and you want to send only once, what you do, you create your message and send them a mail message. So say you've come to compose, and you're supposed to compose a new message here, and as you're trying to compose your message, and you come to the receiver's address, just type there the name of the label, OBs and OGs. Then you can tap on this. You see the list of the contacts in that label being displayed there, without you having maybe you to type, and there are some. So we have to utilize the computer to simplify our lives. So what you do, you type in your message. You can tell them we shall have a meeting on Friday this week. So this week, so after this, you can just say send. Meanwhile, thanks so much for watching my video. I please remind you to subscribe, like my videos, and write comments there. Thank you.